Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Horus Music. Horus Music, an honest review for musicians. Watch this before you use it. Horus Music is a digital music distribution platform tailored for independent musicians and record labels aiming to get their music onto major streaming services. Think Spotify, Apple Music, Tidal, and more. Horus Music simplifies global distribution, eliminating the need for a traditional record label. A key feature that sets Horus Music apart is its 100% royalty payout. That's right, Horus Music doesn't take a percentage of your earnings, a significant advantage for independent artists. Beyond distribution, Horus Music provides access to marketing services, playlist pitching, and sync licensing opportunities, boosting your music's visibility and reach. This makes it a great choice for artists seeking not only distribution but also effective promotion. Horus Music offers flexible payment options. You can choose a one-time fee for lifetime distribution or opt for annual plans, catering to various budgets and needs. Real-time analytics are also included, allowing you to track your music's performance across different platforms, essential for understanding your audience and refining your strategy. The platform is user-friendly, and they offer personalized customer support, which is invaluable for those new to digital distribution. While Horus Music provides playlist pitching services, it's important to understand that placement on major playlists isn't guaranteed. Independent promotion remains crucial for success. The marketing services offered are valuable tools, but they aren't a magic bullet for instant fame. Horus Music is most effective for artists who are actively building their careers and need a streamlined platform to distribute their music and monitor its progress. It's also worth noting that my experience has been positive in terms of the platform's ease of use and customer support responsiveness. Navigating the system and getting assistance has been straightforward. To summarize, Horus Music offers a comprehensive suite of features for independent artists, including worldwide distribution, full royalty retention, and marketing support. However, like any tool, its effectiveness is maximized when combined with your own promotional efforts. If you're seeking a user-friendly, affordable, and artist-focused platform for global music distribution, Horus Music is definitely worth considering.